Well, our next guest wish, Christmas wish, is one with less waste. The accidental environmentalist, Grieve, is here to help us tackle food waste this morning. And I'm so glad that you're here because food waste really bugs me.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay, because it should bug you.
Yes.
It should bug everybody. Because honestly, the food waste is such a problem, and over 61% of food waste happens in our own homes. So we can control this. This costs Canadian families almost $1,300 a year.
Okay, just little bits and pieces that we're like, oh, I don't need that, I'm just gonna throw it out. Or you keep it in the fridge and then it goes bad and then it's gone.
Okay, but the problem is people keep things in the fridge and then they have this mindset, oh, it's been there for a week, it's off. No, it's not. You need to revitalize it. You need to make it feel fresh again. And I have the secret weapon.
Okay.
You think I'm lying? I'm not. It is called Hellmann's Spicy Mayo. I am telling you, this will make anything taste good. My kids literally will drink, oh, Mom, the lettuce is off. I'm like, no, it's not. Get the mayo. We're making wraps.
So
we're on TikTok.
We're gonna make a board.
We are making
a mayo board.
Okay, so you've seen butter boards everywhere, okay?
Yes.
So what we're gonna do now is make a mayo board to deal with our holiday Christmas waste.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing, you're gonna squish it on like this. Now you can use a board, you can use a plate. These ones are really cute holiday ones. I got them at Marshall's, so fun. Okay, now, nice.
Thanks.
Okay, now take your spoon, and this is where we gotta like lap it up, kind of all TikTok style here, okay? Looking really good. Now, once you've got a good base, we're just gonna load on all of those holiday dinner leftovers, okay? So you think that kids aren't gonna eat them? I'm gonna start with the turkey.
Okay,
so
I'm gonna start with potatoes.
Okay, see, look at this, okay? This is honestly, everyone's gonna eat up all of those leftovers, and it's just a really fun way. I think if you can make food fun again, especially your older, beans, like, look, nobody even ate those last night. So now you're gonna throw them on your board and you're just gonna add it on like this. See, yours is looking awesome.
Thank you.
I like to put a little bit of lettuce on my leftover board because then it feels a bit like a sandwich almost.
Well, and lettuce is like caviar right now with the price of it.
Right? There you go, you don't wanna waste any of that. Okay, and then we're gonna put on cranberry sauce on top. And you know what, honestly, Annette, it is just some way to get these kids into eating whatever is left over and having fun with it. And as I always say, you want to make it like content worthy. So my kids will be shooting their TikToks, that kind of stuff while we're doing it. It's so great. And there's the gravy. Okay? There we go. I know we're having a bit of a battle of the boards today here.
Yes, that's right, because our next guest has a butter board.
Exactly, and you and I are battling this one out, okay? So anyways, the point is, get things that can revitalize the food, get the fun back into it before you think of tossing.
And again, like I like, you could do this on a tiny, look, I have a tiny sized plate in here.
Absolutely.
So you could do it on a plate like this,
Absolutely, doesn't have to be a fancy board, then you just dip it in, eat it.
And there you go.
Okay.
Gonna put this back here. Okay, now let's go to, you say that like rinds are a big thing. We think, oh, you know, I'm just gonna put it in the composter. That's not gonna be so wasteful. But it's wasteful if you don't use the food to its entirety.
I always laugh, people like squish their lemons once and then throw them out. I'm like, sister, bring that back, man. We got some things to do with that. We can clean our kitchen with our lemons. We can clean kitchens with limes. But the best thing we can do.
I clean my bathroom faucets with lemons that I use over.
See, I love coming here. I love it, Annette. You get me so excited about sustainability. So anyways, what we can do is we're gonna make a chopping board cordial, or kind of like a syrup. So literally take all of your leftover rinds, anything from citrus, equal parts water. So 2 cups of citrus, 2 cups of water, add a bit of sugar, leave it in the fridge for 24 hours. When you strain it, it will be like this when you're done. And this is the sweetest citrusy syrup. And we're gonna make my famous gingerbread old-fashioned cocktail.
Let's get right to it.
So we got non-alcoholic, non-alcoholic rum, which is fun, and then the gingerbread bitters. Both of these I got at well.ca, so they're not hard to find, and we're gonna make the best drink. Okay, so it's gonna be 2 parts of our rum. Now you can obviously, you can do this with alcohol if you like, you know, like who's saying, no, I'm not judging. But here in the morning, I thought we would just do it with our non-alcoholic. So 2 shots of our base of alcohol, then 1 shot of the bitters, which is so good. This is where the gingerbread taste comes from. And then we're gonna do a little something of our syrup here to give it that sweetness.
And that syrup you can use for so many other drinks.
Oh my gosh.
Just keep it in the fridge.
We keep it in the fridge. My kids put it on ice cream.
We have to go, but
oh my gosh, we're gonna drink all this up.
CHCH.com, we'll get the recipes there. Thanks very much.
No worries.
Cheers.
Happy holidays.